How to create Crunchyroll account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. So you can either download Crunchyroll application in your device or just head over to your Chrome application and at the top search bar type in Crunchyroll sign up. As you do so, you will see register for Crunchyroll. Tap onto the first link. Then type in your email address. Create yourself a strong password. And once you have done that, tap on accept all cookies, then tap on create account. And just like so, now all you have to do is enter the email address that you used while creating a Crunchyroll account and enter your password, then tap on login. And just like so, you will be able to see your screen. And that is how you can create yourself a Crunchyroll account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.